Hello darlings, welcome back to Royal Appleberry. I am Kenny the Messy Sober for those of you who are new. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so freaking happy you are here. I really am. So, I don't make a lot of men soaps. Most of the time Gabriel makes them. But I'm trying to get a few more in my line because they do pretty well. I had moments where they didn't do well, but now they do. So, my base, what's in here already? Because a lot of people ask, what's that powder you put in there? That is kaolin clay, some buttermilk powder, some goat milk powder, and some colloidal oatmeal. That's what's in this. And the colors I'm going to be using for my base is activated charcoal, which is from Crafter's Choice Wholesale Supplies Plus. I believe that's where I got it. I'm going to be using Magic Blue by Southern Sensations, which is here. It's like wafting up to the camera. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter floating around, or it's not really glitter, but anyway. And then I'm going to be using this little packet of Copper Penny from Nurtures. So those are going to be my colors. I'm going to get everything mixed up, and then we will begin to make this soap. Alright, now that I have my lye mixed in, and I have it just at emulsification, I think I'm going to put my fragrance in right now. And the fragrance that I am using is a blend. I have, I think I said, I don't know what this little speck is. Oh, it's poppy seed. I said before that I have like an ounce here, ounce there fragrance oils that are just there, and I need to use them because I don't want them to go bad. So I'm just trying to use those up. So yeah, I don't want to put any fragrance in this blue just because I love this blue and I would like for it to stay that color. And sometimes fragrances do change to color morphing. So, honestly, I think, yeah, I'm not going to fragrance anything except for my base. I would really like for these to stay unfragranced. And I'll put some in my white because I know this doesn't discolor. I've used them before. There's my white. So I'll go ahead and, I don't want to do this. Yeah, I'll put my fragrance in last. Don't want a lot of white, just a hint. And I think I probably used too much of these. I really didn't want that much, but too late now. All right. So grab my activated charcoal. I could get it open. Okay, hopefully that'll give me a nice black. I don't think I've done a, have I? Can't remember, and if I did, it was a very, very long time ago. Just like a basically mostly black men soap. And then other colors were accent colors. Guys, this is like my 5th soap. I don't know what I'm saying at this point.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So I'm back, and I'm going to pour a majority of this in here now. Fragrance, this soap batter is very, very loose. I don't know what kind of pour I'm going to do. I really don't. And I should have saved a little bit more, but too late now. So what we're going to do next is this blue. Pour from up pretty high. And I'm going to pour it all in there because I don't need any more. Whoops. Hopefully I can cover that blue up because again I didn't really want. Where's Christmas spatula. I didn't really want any for the top, and I'm just making a mess, so more dishes for me to wash, yay. Alright, so get all of that in there. Yeah, this is very, very runny. So hopefully the next soap that I'm going to make, which is going to be Brambleberry's avocado fragrance. I am so excited to use that one. It smells so amazing. Hopefully the texture will be just as loose. My soap batter be just as loose, because I think I want to do something that's pretty fluid. I haven't decided yet. So hard to decide. When you think avocado, what do you think? Avocado colors. And I don't want to just be that, you know, obvious. So, anywho. Alright, get this poured in. This is a beautiful color, I swear it is. And I'm going to give this a pretty good smack down, because it's going to have quite a lot of air bubbles in it. You know what? I'm almost tempted to leave this as is. I might. We'll see. We will see. Kind of like the way that looks. Beautiful. Alright, now let's get this white in here to break up some of those other colors. Yeah, and this raisiness needs to get out of here. I don't know, maybe because it was two different suppliers' fragrance that I mixed together. Because I've used them both, and like I said, I've never had any issues with racing. But it's nothing bad. It's stirring right out, so not a big deal. So pretty. That black is perfect. Alright, so let's get that white in there now. Pour that from up high as well. Yeah, well, as much as I would love for this beautiful pattern to stay on top, it's not going to work, because I have to smack it down, because it is full of air bubbles from pouring up high and it being so fluid. So, alright, I keep turning this music down. It seems like it's getting louder and louder. Alright. So we are back with the cutting of this gorgeous man soap. Did I give this a name? I don't know, but it smells fantastic. There it is. It looks lovely on the top. I don't know. Anyway, I have to look at the video as I'm editing, because I don't remember. It's been 2 weeks. So we're going to go ahead and cut this. And someone, I don't even know who it was, she said that she doesn't cut ends off her soaps. She just planes them. I'm going to start trying that, because I don't give out samples like I used to, which I do want to get back to. That's lovely. But it's just kind of got like out of hand. Because my samples, I wasn't packaging up my samples fast enough to go along with the soaps that I was selling, because by the time I get those samples all packaged all pretty and whatever and ready to go, the soap itself was actually sold out. So I just need to do better, because I do like giving you guys samples. Oh, that's lovely. Look how pretty. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. Manly. It's manly, not gorgeous. But I do like that color combination. So I'm going to try my best to get back into samples. And also, even if I don't cut any backs off, I still end up getting a piece. So that can still go for a sample. That pour right there is fun. Look at that, man. Love that. But yeah. Hope you guys are having a fan-tastic day. Today is Sunday. Got lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of stuff to do. I'm trying to get pictures done and all of that from my website days. I just need to sit down and take as many pictures as I can, and I feel so good when I do it, but then I kind of slack off, and then we end up back at square one. So yeah, Kenny's just trying to get her life out of shambles right now. My soaping life, just get a little bit more order. That's now, I like that these aren't over swirled, you know what I mean? They're manly. I think they are perfectly manly. It's not a whole bunch of crazy swirls, and honestly, I don't even remember the pour that I did on this. And it is so nice to be able to just let your soap sit without just, as soon as you grab them off the mold, just cut them up. Cut. That was like my most favorite thing to do. And it is, I mean, it's exciting, but it's not as good for your soaps. It's kind of good to let them sit for a while just because they cut better. Well, for me they do. And just give them a little chance to firm up some. So that's why I like the fact that I'm getting to the point where I'm not able to cut my soaps right away because I don't have time. So it's better for them. Alrighty. So now I'm blazing through these cuttings. I did another one which you saw last week, which was my chamomile milk tea. I cut it on the same day as this one, but you guys already saw it. And I'm trying, time is ticking down. Like my new editing software, to convert the video into an MP4 file normally takes a little over an hour, so it kind of eats away at the time that I have to upload. And then Xfinity, like I said, they suck. They totally suck. So in my area, anyway, that's a whole nother story. But yeah, it's very slow, so it takes like an hour and 45 minutes for me to upload a video, a 30-minute video. Fun. So and I know some people have it worse, but when I lived in Rochester Hills, it was just so, well, matter of fact, I didn't have Xfinity. I had ATT, but Gabe wanted Xfinity because that's what he was used to, so that's what we got, and I don't love it. But anywho, yeah, so it takes a while, so I am trying my best to get down here, get these videos filmed, and get these soaps off of my cutting workspace so I can actually take pictures. That's what I'm trying to do, and get it posted on my website for you guys to go and buy those soaps. Alright, loves, yes, that's a whole lot of information you guys probably didn't even care about, but just threw it out there anyway. So love, hugs, kisses, be awesome, amazing, everything you do. Be sure to give a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. If you haven't become a part of my SAC, what are you waiting on? What is my SAC? It's my stinking awesome crew. That's what my subscribers are. You guys are absolutely stinking awesome. You know that. Thank you for those of you who are always here. Love you. Love you so much. And be sure to hit that bell if you want to get notifications whenever I post new videos. That way you can run over here and see what madness I am up to. Alright guys, I love you. I do. I really do. I mean it so much. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.